Popular TV host Regis Philbin has passed away. He is popularly known for being on the program Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Welcome to Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The American media fraternity is in mourning following the sudden passing of veteran TV host Regis Philbin. He passed away at age 88. The veteran American TV broadcaster passed away according to a statement from his family. The popular TV show host, actor and presenter started his work in television in the mid-50s and became famous with his national talk show with Regis. He announced back in 2011 that he was retiring from the weekly day show after he had hosted it for more than 25 years. He also presented on the popular US version of Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. In a statement to People magazine and announcing about his passing, it read, "For the warm and legendary sense of humor and his singular ability to make every day into something worth talking about, we thank his fans and his admirers for their incredible support over his 60 years career." And the family asks for privacy as they mourn his loss. He passed away on Friday of this week of natural causes. The President of the United States also took the time to tweet his condolences to his family and friends, calling Philbin one of the greatest of all time. One of the greats in the history of television, Regis Philbin passed on his even greater waves at age 88. "He was a fantastic person and my friend," the president said. "He kept telling me to run for president, and he holds the record for the most live television show, and he did it well. Love you," the president tweeted. The legendary TV host was honored multiple times in his illustrious career, taking home 3 Daytime Emmy Awards and a Lifetime Achievement Award. He was inducted in the Television Hall of Fame in 2006 and received the Hollywood Walk of Fame star in 2003. As he announced his retirement from live television, he stated, "There is a time that everything must come to an end for certain people on camera, especially certain old people." So he was still having fun during his retirement, and he was one of the most televised person of television to date, and he also holds the Guinness World Book of Records for hosting the most live television shows. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our condolences to the family and friends of the late TV veteran. This is where we're going to leave this one for now. Thanks for watching Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for this one. Peace.